this is going to be a long trial. Because just on Yella Beezy portion of it is like a lot. What's up, Truth Team? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, SC's #1 urban blogger and the queen of paperwork. Y'all, I think this weather in South Carolina is crazy. I think I'm getting sick. But y'all know the show must go on. It's been a minute since we talked about Yella Beezy. Okay, y'all know he is facing murder for hire charges in the death of rapper MO3. Now, his trial has been pushed back. It starts in February. So motions are starting to file in, subpoenas are starting to file in, and when I say this is gonna be a long trial, because just on Yella Beezy portion of it is like a lot of witnesses. It reminded me of the YSL whole witness list. But what was interesting about looking through what recent motions was filed is that the fact that the state of Texas is wanting the judge to tell the defense not to bring up their F-ups. Nah, for real. Let's get into it.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth.
So the state filed first motion in limine. And basically the overview on it, y'all already know. If y'all want to read it in its entirety, where to find it.
Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon.
So this is a pretrial motion, okay, filed by the prosecution, asking the court to restrict certain types of topics from being mentioned before the jury while in court, okay? And this is because they want the defense to be prohibited from referring to or mentioning wrongful conviction or exonerations in Dallas County or elsewhere at any point during jury selection, opening statements, guilt or innocent phase, punishment phase, closing arguments. Like, don't ever bring it up, okay? But the only thing they said that they are for it being brought up is if the defense first obtains the judge's permission outside the presence of the jury. So they can't just go in there and be like, hey, I want to bring up the fact that they had 10 exonerations in the past 5 months, and I'm just throwing out something. Okay, I hope that's not the number. Okay, so the legal basis cited is that they argue that exonerations is unrelated to this case. Like, nobody on this case got exonerated, so it's not any fact that can be used. Okay. Also, irrelevant evidence is inadmissible under Rule 402. Even if slightly relevant, such evidence would confuse or mislead the jury, violating Rule 403. Under Rule 103D, inadmissible evidence shouldn't be suggested to the jury. So they can't correct what they stuff. They also reference a particular case, Felder versus State of Texas, to define proper areas of jury argument. Now, the judge has granted the state's motion in limine. The defense is ordered not to mention exonerations or wrongful convictions during any stage of the trial unless the court ruled it admissible outside the jury's presence. Okay, so basically, at the end of the day, it's like we done had some mistakes. Okay, I mean, we done had some mistakes, but at the same time, we big dog around here. We ain't got no mistake on this case, and that's what's important. Like, that's my little summary of it, okay? Also, another document was filed because they are going to use Yella Beezy's tattoos against them. Like, yeah. So this document, it states motion to require defendant to be photographed. And if you look down under 1, okay, so these tattoos are believed to be material and relevant evidence both with regard to the issues of guilt or innocence for comparison and identification as well. In regard to punishment, gang, you already know they might have that gang aspect up in there. That document also is on Patreon. So February will be here before you know it. I do believe the other defendant that was supposed to start trial for MO3 murder got pushed back to February too. So I think everybody trial days in February. So hey, that's the update for now. Y'all get in the comments, let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to pull up on your girl Mickey Truth. I gotta go take me some doggone Dayquil or something. I'm out.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah, I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from. Hey, this your girl Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina. Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast. What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? About to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around, and then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in to get your massage. So let's take a tour. So it was located in a nice multi business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does. And let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed, okay? I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that, because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay?
Hey guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner-operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage.
How can they follow you?
I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook, and if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments.
Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to party. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.